Hello world, welcome to Python training. So in this video we are going to discuss about printing multiple values in same line. So I'm using a variable a equal to hello, and then in the print statement I am using say then plus symbol. So this is known as concatenation, and then a. So it will print say hello. If I'll take another example, let's say if I'll take x equal to 5 and then do print say, what will be the output? So it is giving type error. Why type error is coming? Because in the print statement this particular value is of a string type, and then I'm using concatenation function and then using the x, which is of type int. So it is saying that if x is str, then only it can be concatenated. So let's fix this error. So in order to convert x, which is int currently, into string type, I will use str method and I will use str of x. Now this particular value is still 5, but the type of this particular value will be string type. So if I'll run the program again, it will print say 5. There is another way where I can print multiple values in the same line. Let's see that. So if I'll use print say comma x, what will happen? Will any error come? In this case I'm not using str of x, I'm directly using x. In this case we have seen that when we were directly using x, it was throwing the error, but in this case let's see what happens. Let me comment out the above line and let me run the program. It is printing successfully, so we don't have to explicitly convert x into string. And there is one more catch. Let me run these print statements one after another. So in this particular case, you can see between say and 5 there is no space. So say and 5 are continuous, but in this particular print statement there is a additional space. If you look closely, print is a function, right? And any function accepts parameter. If you see in this particular case, how many parameters print statement is accepting? One parameter, correct? And in this particular situation, how many parameters print statement is accepting? So it is accepting in this case 2 parameters. In journal, if we want to journalize, so it can accept more than 1 parameters, and each parameter when it prints, it basically separates using a space. So we can provide n number of parameters in any ways. Either I can provide variables or I can directly provide the values of any data types. So this one is a string, this one is int, this one is again int, this one is boolean, this one is set, this one is list. So when I run this program, it is printing all values separated by a space. And in terms of concatenation, we have seen that there is no space between the values. And if I'll concatenate more values here, they will still count as single parameter of print function. So this was the quick video on printing multiple values using print function.